On the adventures of the million-mile truck, we have steam and smoke. Doing a visual inspection, and you see on the side of the block we have a busted hose clamp. Would you just look at that? Yep. Old 60 series. Good thing about these is that the computer is set up in a way that if there's low coolant or low oil, whatever, it'll shut itself off for protection. Unlike the Kenworth I had, the 2015 Kenworth, the engine just went. No lights, nothing to protect itself. Love this thing. Almost 1 million miles, but hey, but we need to fix that. We need to fix that. We need to fix that. Yes, sir. We need to fix that, because when I try to crank the truck, these sensors right here pretty much say, hey, nope, we're cutting it off. We're cutting it off. Ain't nothing else wrong with it. It'll crank. Block that company real quick, because I know there's a bunch of evil people out there. But when you try to crank the truck, it'll cut itself off and protect itself. So for the meantime, we're going to sit here on the side of the road and wait for Loves to call us back. All right, so now after 2 miles of walking, I managed to get 2 hose clamps put together. It's nothing compared to that, but hell, why not? Just to get me 15 miles up the road so I can get some from the Loves down the street. Just kill ourselves here. All right, and then I filled it up with some coolant, about 12 minimum. I'm just gonna run it like that because that's all I have. So, you know, moment of truth right here. I gotta do a visual inspection. That's what you should do. Not saying I'm perfect and all, but let's see something. No engine lights at all. None. Now I gotta let it idle for a minute. I also gotta let it burn. Thermostat starting to open back up. Let's not kill any more time here. Usually always happens. This stuff usually always happens. Usually always happens. When you're running real good, you're running real hard. I'm talking about just gunning, getting to the money. Like all these people out here, they just getting to the money. Look at that. Getting at that money. But anyway, check here. Oil pressure's good, water's good. It's just my low air. All right, let's try to make it to the Loves. So we made it to the Loves. We made it to the Loves. And would you look at that? It's still on there. But either way it goes, I'm still gonna go to the Speedco right here, that shop building over there, and you know, just in case it happens again, you know, I'm gonna go get some hose clamps and such, and coolant, and maybe a hose. So next time it happens, I'll be good. So far so good. Everything is great. Don't need none of that crap. But yeah. Boom.